In 1972, the Nike Cortez helped elevate the brand's running category, eventually evolving into one of the most iconic lifestyle sneakers of all time. Over 5 decades later, it continues to reinvent itself, this time with a playful twist made just for little kids. A newly revealed version features a familiar summit white, hyper-royal, white, and noble red palette reminiscent of the classic Forrest Gump look. Premium leather and suede build the upper, while signature serrated soles retain the timeless construction. What makes this edition unique is the EasyOn velcro strap at the upper eyelets, simplifying wear for the youngest sneaker fans. Additionally, the tongue label and insole showcase a vibrant new graphic. The standout detail? Wiggle eyes on the heel, 2 plastic eyes with swoosh-shaped pupils that move with each step, adding a fun, animated element. Official images of this whimsical pair have surfaced, with the $65 launch expected soon on Nike.com.